What's up guys, it's Anthony, and in today's video we're going to be replacing the lower radiator hose that I did talk about in the last video. Sorry I wasn't in that video, just didn't have time, and so this is a couple days later and we're doing it. So far I've already gotten started because I'm cold and I should have started the video sooner. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys what I've got done and how I did it. So down here you can see the tip of the lower radiator hose right there where my finger's at. It goes into the water neck down there, and I just unplugged the top of the air box. And yes, I know it's got a little blow by. Look at all the oil and stuff. You can see a lot of oil in here and in here. Not good, so I need to get a catch can set up. But I just took the top of the air box loose. You just take these little clamps, pop them loose, these little things. You unplug this one and this from the top of the thing, undo this, and you pull the airbox out, and then we're going to be taking that bolt, and there's a little nut right here, and the airbox comes out, so that way I can get to my lower radiator hose clamp, because if you can see, you can't get to the clamp because it's on the bottom side, so I have to take the airbox out and hopefully be able to figure that out. So this is going to be fun, but coolant's already drained. You can see down there, it's really cold. My hands are really cold, so let's try and get this done as quick as possible. Alright guys, so as you can see, no more airbox. It's right here. You just use a little extension or a little bit more, suggestedly a little bit more. 1/2-inch socket, loosen them up. Take these two are bolts. This one's like a little nut, and they just slide up off of it. And then if you have the later model with this, where the idle air control or whatever, for when it's cold it blocks it off, so that way it heats up a little bit faster. Well, it's supposed to, but then you just kind of like tilt it out like this and pulls out. And now we can get to the clamp right there, and we can go ahead and take it loose. And I already have this hose set up the way it needs to be put back in there, so that way I don't forget. And then we just got to get the clamps off of this hose and put on the new one and pop it on and tighten them up. So let's go ahead and do that. My hands are so dirty and greasy. Like, there's just so much oil in there, it's bad. So catch can video coming up soon. Alright, there you go, right there to right there. It's all pulled apart and clean. I do have a power steering leak, and I'm pretty sure I found that it's coming from right here under this. As you can see, it's really caked up. I would really like to try and spray this out. Kind of want to do a cold air intake, but in the future we'll get one, and you guys will see a video for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the clamps back on the new hose, get it plugged up, and hopefully stops my leaking and stuff. So yeah, alrighty, there you have it. Brand new one in. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Going to go ahead and fill it up, make sure that nothing leaks, and then I'll put everything back together. But that's how you guys change a lower radiator hose on a closed system extra. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Has been Anthony. Let me know what else you guys want to see done in the comment section below. I got a lot of maintenance and little things to do with the Jeep. I'm not that good at stuff, so just keep that in mind. But if you're a beginner, hopefully this video was helpful for you. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see from me down in the comment section below. Let me know if there's anything that you guys need to know or anything like that. If you have any questions about what we just did. But it has been Anthony. I'm going to talk to you guys later.